Hello and welcome to Check It Out with Rich. About 3 years ago, we upgraded our mattress to a Mattress Insiders, and we actually love this thing. But it is a little heavier. It's about 8-9 inches thick, so it does add a little bit more weight to the bed here when you lift it up to get into the storage. Now it holds it perfectly fine, but if you put any amount of weight at all on it, it will come down, and it comes down pretty hard. So I've been putting this off for a long time, and I finally was in there, and it actually came down on me. I had something else on here, so I decided, went on Amazon, I bought some new struts for it. Okay, the struts that are on the bed are 20-inch, and they are 80-pound. These are also 20-inch, and they're 150-pound. So hopefully when I go to close it, I don't rip the brackets off, but I'm thinking I'll be all right. Okay, so let's get the bed opened up and we'll get these swapped out. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and open this up. Just be careful. This is under pressure, so when you're opening it up, maybe hold it towards something. And then, I mean, it's not going to take your arm off or anything, but it is under pressure, so be careful. Okay, I'm going to show you here. There's a little ball on your bracket, and then it needs to go inside this hole. And you can go ahead and push this in, and it will go in. Okay, to remove them, you need a small screwdriver, and there's a little indentation here underneath this clip. So you need to get under there and just pry that up. You don't want to take it off all the way, but you want to pry it up enough that this ball will come out. So we're going to go underneath the bed and take the old one off. We're going to do one side at a time, and we'll take that off and put a new one on. Okay, and like I said, you just come down here, get your screwdriver in there, and just pry that down a little bit. Don't take it off. It's hard to get back on. And then we're going to come up here and do the same thing. And that should be good. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get this off myself without getting hurt. So we want to put the top one on and then put the bottom one on. Oh. Get the top one. Make sure your clips are in place, which the bottom one I didn't move the clip. The top one I did to show you, and it popped off. So that was pretty easy. So let's get the other one done. Okay, it's the same thing on this side. I hope my head's not blocking the camera. Get that done. Get this one slid out of the way. And hold up on the bed. Take that off. We'll put the top on first. And then the bottom. It is a little easier with two people. If somebody could hold the bed. Okay, and that wasn't bad. If I wasn't filming in 5 minutes, I could have had both of these changed out, no problem. So let's see how hard it is to close, see if I rip the brackets off. It's definitely a lot harder to close. It's 2 hands instead of 1, but I'll guarantee you, comes up nice, but I will guarantee you it's not coming down. You can put a lot of weight on here before it starts to move. We'll do it again. I actually think Becky's going to have a hard time. Like I said, these are 150 pounds. You can probably get by with 120 pounds without any issue. All right, so I brought Becky up to see if she can open it and close it. I know she can open it. So let's see how she does opening. Should have been a little easier opening.
Okay, did seem a little easier.
Okay, now I'll close it.
What's missing in here?
Stick to the task at hand.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Is it all right? Do I have to order the 120s?
No, it's fine.
150s are good?
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'll just do what I just did.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I will leave my Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you purchase through that link, I'll get a very small percentage of your purchase. And another easy job just about anybody could do. So once again, thanks for checking it out. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.